Hello folks, Gary JSF, and I've been shopping again. This time was on eBay, and this is what I've bought. Right, it is the Synco G1 A1 microphone kit. It's a 2.4 gigahertz lavalier microphone kit. So, well, the retail somewhere up around £100. This one was a refurbished one I bought off eBay, and the price I paid for it, I thought it was worth a go. So let's get into unboxing it and see what we think. Okay, it came boxed and all, so that's an original Synco box. So let's see what we got here. Okay, comes in a nice little carry case, and it has your setup guide. So let's see in the box. Okay, the two units, the receiver which goes on to the camera or mobile phone. It comes with a lead for the mobile phone, and also you've got the transmitter which will come from your microphone. That's basically your microphone, and then transmits back. Comes with a dead kitten that attaches onto those little holes there. Okay, and here, let's see, we'll go right. That's a dual charge lead there. You can see there's two USB-C charging cables. This one here, you can actually see, has a little diagram for a mobile phone. It's TRRS setup. That will be for your mobile phone connected to it. This one here, you can see that this has a symbol for a camera. I don't know if that's coming out on it, but you have a symbol for a camera, and that's a TRS system. Okay, let's see what else we have. We have a little lavalier microphone. Now, one thing that hasn't come with is a little clip that clips it on, a lavalier microphone, but the one on this Boya microphone that I'm using now works with it, but I'll order another one. And there's another one of those another lavalier mic which didn't come with the little foam bit either. But again, the Boya one works with it. So that's everything in the case. Let's get round to trying it now. Okay, we're just using this one now with the microphone pack. There's no lavalier microphone into it as yet, so it's just the pack itself and a little onboard microphone to it. No distance between the camera and ourselves, but that's the sound quality of it there, and had to turn it up a little bit from the Boya BYM1. Had to turn the volume of the microphone up, but it seems to be okay. So that's the first one. Now we'll try it with the lavalier microphone plugged in. Right, well, that's it with the little lavalier mic plugged in. As you can see, it is there. Hopefully it didn't disturb you by touching it, but you can compare the sound quality to the onboard microphone to the little unit, and now the one with the external microphone. I'm sure all pretty good, but everything seems to be working well. So to explain, I bought this off eBay, and it was showing 28.50, I think it was, and I had a best offer, so I hit it with £25. So far it looks so good, but I'll take a little walk into another room and see how it works when I'm away from the camera. So that's me near enough at the back of the house. I'll actually go downstairs, so we'll see how it works in there, see if we'll lose signal in the house. So it has, seems to be actually okay. If this works okay, they've been excellent value at that pack at £25. So there you go. A bit of a wander off. The weather has not been conducive to do an outside test as yet, so we're stuck to the inside. So fingers crossed this has worked out. So that's it. That's my latest purchase. So let's hopefully this has been worth the money. On first impression, it seems very good. So. At least with all in the one unit, it's very handy. But for now, Gary JSF signing off. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.